Hey, all my beautiful nail besties. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I am going to do a quick nail design that one of you requested I do a tutorial on. So, this is the nail design. It is very simple, yet very elegant. Got some summer vibes going on to it as well. So, we're going to start off with a fully prepped nail, meaning filed, buffed, and base coated. Then I'm going to go in with my trusty Makartt white, apply a nice even coat of that, and then cure it for 60 seconds when I am done. Then I'm going to take the Snowcone foils from Enail Couture, and we are going to use those blue and purple gradient ones, and then take some of the clear oil slick foils from Enail Couture as well. And then I'm going to use my Nicole Diary nail foil gel. I'm going to apply a nice even coat of the Nicole Diary foil gel and then cure that for 30 seconds. Once that is cured, you're going to take that gradient Snowcone foil and apply it to your nail, and then take a silicone tool and varnish it in very well, wrapping around the sides and all. Once you are done applying that, we are going to go in with another coat of the Nicole Diary foil gel, curing for 30 seconds again, and then apply the clear oil slick foil over it. Varnish that in very well again, and then remove. Once you are done removing that, pop it in the nail lamp for an additional 30 seconds to make sure it is fully cured. I really love how simple yet beautiful this design is. Chef's kiss, just beautiful. So once you are done doing that additional 30-second cure, we're going to come in with some matte top coat, apply a nice juicy coat of that, and then cure it for 60 seconds. And you don't have to use a matte top coat for this look. You can use a shiny top coat if you prefer, but for this step, still use a matte top coat because we are going to do a little bit of nail art. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that shift. Just absolutely stunning. So once you're done applying that matte top coat and giving that a cure, we are going to come in with that same Makartt white gel and a long liner detail brush. And you're going to start at the outer free edge, working your way up towards the nail bed at a slight angle, creating a partial Frenchie, and then just go ahead and fill that in and cure it for 60 seconds when you are done. I hope that you guys are enjoying this short little tutorial so far. If you are, go ahead and leave the video a like and a comment if you are feeling generous. And if you are not subscribed yet, please consider, because I would love to have you join our Nail Bestie family. And we are getting closer and closer to that 500 subscriber mark, which means it will be giveaway time and you won't want to miss it. So be sure to smash that subscribe button. We also have a lot of really fun and exciting things coming up over the next several weeks that you guys won't want to miss. So again, please hit that subscribe button. Once you are done curing your partial Frenchie, come in with whatever top coat you decide. I am using matte here. Apply a nice thick coat of this. Don't cure it yet though, because we are going to attach the bling using our top coat. I am going to use some smaller AB crystals and just apply those halfway in between the Frenchie you have created and then the main color of the nail bed, putting the bigger one in the middle and then the smaller ones on the outer sides. And then we're going to come in with some caviar beads and apply those in between each one of the crystals. So 6 caviar beads in total, 4 of them being around the outer edges of that bigger gem, right in between the bigger gem and the smaller gems. And then apply another caviar bead on the outer edge of those smaller AB crystals right along the Frenchie line. Once you have them placed how you like it, go ahead and pop that in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to cure. I absolutely love how the caviar beads elevate your rhinestone or bling game. It just makes it look so much better. I mean, look at how beautiful that is. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this short little tutorial today. Again, if you did, leave the video a like. If you're feeling generous, go ahead and leave me a comment below and make sure you are subscribed with post notifications on. Because again, we have some very exciting stuff coming up over the next few weeks. Also, I will leave what I can listed in the description down below, along with my discount codes, so be sure to check those out. I also have a couple more short tutorials coming up over the next couple days, so be sure to keep an eye out for those. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Oh, here we go. Feelings overflow. I don't really know what to, 'cause I'm a restless.